Welcome to welcome to Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to calculate the surface area and volume of a cuboid. So let's get started. So to calculate the surface area, we are going to use two methods. Okay, so our first method is going to be surface area will be equals to, you can use this formula, 2 times the base area plus the perimeter of the base times the height. So you can use this method, it's a little bit faster. Okay, so looking at this cuboid, what will be the base? This is our base. So the reason why we have 2 times the base is because the top and the bottom is the same. So we are going to consider this as our base. So we are going to have, we consider the dimension of the base is, we have 5 and 8. So times 2 because the top and the bottom is the same. So we are going to have 2 bracket the area of this base, because we have times 2, right? The area of this base, 5 times 8 plus the perimeter of the base. So the perimeter of the base, the total distance around, so we are going to have 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5. So we are going to have 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 close times the height. The height of this cuboid is 10 times 10. So if we simplify this, we are going to have 2 times 40 plus, if we add these together, we are going to have 26. 16 times 10, which is 26. 26 times 10. If we move further, this 2 times 40 will give us 80, plus this will give us 260. So if we add them up, we are going to have 340 centimeter square. So this is the first method. Now the second method is almost practically the same thing, but is more understandable. So looking at the second method, so we need to calculate the surface area. As we said before, we have at the top and the bottom, we have 2 triangles that are the same. So we need to multiply times 2. So we are going to have 2, 8 times 5 plus. Now looking at this is a rectangle at the front. So we have this rectangle which is 8 and 10. So the front in front and this rectangle behind are the same. So it's also going to be times 2. 10 and 8. So front and back is the same. So we are going to have 2 bracket 8 times 10. Next we are left with this triangle at the side. So we have this is 10, it means this is 10 as well. So this rectangle here is the same as this rectangle. So we have this 10 and 5 times 2. So we are going to have 2 bracket, don't forget you are adding them up. Okay, then we are going to have 5 times 10. So this will still give us 40 plus 2, this will give us 80, plus this will give us 2 times 50. So this will be 80, this will be 160, this will be 100. So if we add them up, 260 plus 80 will give us 340. So we are going to have 340 centimeter square. Next we are going to calculate the volume. So the volume, we can use length times width times height as our formula. So the formula of volume, if we substitute the value, so this is the length, this is the width, and this is the height. So we are going to have the length 8 times 5 times the height is 10. So if we multiply them together, this is 40 times 10 is 400. We are going to have 400 centimeter cube. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.